So one of the things that we do here at the repair shop, because a lot of stuff that we go to get is a no start, no run, okay? And one of the things that I do, we've got 5 trailers, is I equip each trailer with a winch. And why do I put a winch on? Because we're getting older and some of these things, they just don't pull up too easy. So this one here is going on my tandem axle pull behind. It's 18 foot long. This is the name brand of it. We get them online. We've had really good luck with this line of winches. This one here is a 12,000 pound. So let's unbox. There's a lot of weight here. So let's see. There's the control box. This comes with both a plug-in cable and a remote, so you can use it remotely. And that helps us out a lot, especially with the tractors. If I'm by myself, I can just grab the remote, hook the cable to it, hop on the tractor, and draw myself up onto the trailer. And then the way I usually strap it down on the trailer is I'll put either the heavy-duty ratchet straps, the thick yellow ones, in the back, snug that down good and tight, and then bump the winch to pull everything tight so that it can't move. It works really well. Not sure how you pronounce it, whether it's VEVOR. Maybe one of you guys might know how to pronounce it. But like I said, we've had really good luck. You know, we did try some of Tractor Supplies and Harbor Freight, and they're a good winch, all right? But one of the things that they have to measure up to when it comes to us is they have to be able to brave the elements. And that means if we leave it on the trailer, will it last? And a lot of times that answer has been no, because it gets all rusted up, stops working. But we come upon this company here that sells on eBay. When I had to equip my gooseneck, and that's 16 foot with a dovetail on it that we use for the heavier stuff. It's tandem. But I had a heavy duty winch on it, and it finally, after 8-10 years, quit working on me. So Claude found these on eBay, so he went ahead and he ordered it for me. This one here was a little over $250. That's now, we do have a plate for this that we're going to bolt that to. But I'll tell you, this company, they make everything heavy duty. And I'm serious that we should be a testing ground for equipment, because we really put them through their paces. But you want to get everything all laid out so you know where it's at. We don't really need. See, this is the cable where you can plug it in. You got quite a bit of cable with it. Or you can simply run it with a winch. Just put a battery in it, turn it on, hit in to go in, out to go out. Pretty handy. I would highly recommend them if you see them on eBay. No, I'm not getting any kickback from it. I probably should, right? They probably should send me a new winch. But there it is, guys. And I can't say enough good things about it. That if you're looking for a quality winch, whether it's for the front of your truck, side by side, they make all different sizes. If you want the heavy duty, you're going to have to step up. Like I say, this is 12,000 pounds, which is 6 tons. and it'll pull even a tractor that has 4 flat tires onto my trailer. So on that note, you guys have a great day.